To send Bitcoin from your Cash App wallet, you'll need the recipient's Bitcoin address or Lightning invoice. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. 1. Open the Cash App. Tap the Money tab on your Cash App home screen. 2. Go to the Bitcoin section. Tap the Bitcoin tile. 3. Initiate a send. Tap the arrow button or send button and then select Send Bitcoin. 4. Enter the details. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can input the amount in either Bitcoin or your local currency, and the app will automatically convert it. Enter the recipient's Bitcoin address or Lightning invoice. You can often paste this from your clipboard or use a QR code scanner. 5. Choose a speed. On-chain transactions only. For on-chain transactions, you'll be able to select a withdrawal speed. The speed you choose will affect the transaction fee. Standard. This is a free option but can take up to 24 hours. Rush/priority. These options have fees but are much faster, with transactions potentially completing in a few minutes or hours. 6. Confirm the transaction. Review all the details, including the amount and the recipient's address, and confirm the payment. You may be asked to enter your PIN to authorize the transaction. Important things to know. Verification. You must verify your identity on Cash App before you can use the Bitcoin features. Irreversible transactions. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Make sure you have the correct wallet address before you send, as you won't be able to recover funds sent to the wrong address. Fees. Cash App may charge a fee for buying and selling Bitcoin, as well as a fee for faster withdrawal speeds. Limits. There are limits on how much Bitcoin you can send and receive. You can check your specific limits within the app by going to your profile and selecting Limits.